Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's time for the Non-Minimalist Organized Living Room Tour, and I wanted to just give you guys a little bit of heads up. This was shot last April when I was still a new YouTuber, so I'm talking very softly, so you may want to crank up the volume. And the other thing is, I have since swapped the two couches, and that's the only other difference, is now the gray couch is there where you're seeing, and the tall couch is on the other side. Okay? Hi everybody, so now I'm going to show you the non-minimalists organized living room. So let's get started. This is the few weeks during the year when my house is not decorated for a particular holiday, depending on, of course, when Easter is. So here's my gallery wall. I know you guys have seen a lot of different people's gallery walls, but so I have this sign that says family. I won that at a Homemakers of America Chinese auction. And I've got this picture frame from Kirkland's, and it says, "A true love story never ends." And I have two H's for our last name, one in black and one in white. Some of the pictures are originally black and white, and some were transferred to black and white. I just love the way that looks. It's all black and white photos. Excuse the glare. I made this collage at Walmart.com. I think it was really inexpensive, like $3 or $4, or $4 or $5 actually. And then there's lots of pictures of me and Jim and my family, and our family, and Jim when he was a baby, and friends. And then this is a Dollar Tree wall decal. It says, "Family where life begins and love never ends," and nieces and friends, and nephews and family, and me and Jim. It's Jim's dad when he was in the Air Force back ages ago. And close and dear friends, come and gone over the years. And then I got this sign at a white elephant sale at a church near where I used to live. It says, "All because two people fell in love." And on this side table, which is a 3-tiered side table with a removable tray, which I really do like these with the trays, I have a smoke ender's candle, Hershey Kiss with candy, a little picture frame with my cousin Sydney in it, a beautiful angel from Christmas Around the World, which I love all year. The little angel pops up and down and gives kisses. And then we have my couch covered in a Sure-Fit burgundy toile slipcover. H pillow was from Kirkland's. The red pillows are from a million years ago, and these are from when we moved in here. We got these at World Market, and these I believe are from Walmart from a million years ago. And then I have this side table, which also is a tray table. This tray comes up, and picture cubes and pictures of me and Jim that we gave my dad ages ago, and I believe I got her at the Dollar Tree. I might have gotten her at a Family Dollar or something, but I think it was the Dollar Tree. Okay, and over here I have a shelf. This shelf was white plastic, or gold plastic when I got it, and I spray painted it black. And I believe I put this little medallion on it, but you can't really see very well. There you go. And I have a box Faith that I got at Christmas Tree Shop, and this love thing I got at Walmart. So funny story about curtains is, but first over here we have Rock Band. I have my Rock Band drum set and guitar hidden under the table. Sorry for the glare. And my two guitars on the guitar stand. And that's my microphone stand. I'm the singer. Not very good, but I'm good at the game. Okay, and then over here, this is a section, the door to Mom's room. And I got her this sign that says, "Out of my mind, be back in a few minutes." And then there's another family collage picture frame. And another Dollar-Tree sticker that says, "Dwell in the Possibilities." Emily Dickinson. So these curtains I bought when we first moved in, got them from Mom's room. These matching valances from a different place. These are from Penny's. These are from Ginny's, or the Montgomery Ward catalog family. And then when we moved in, the sliding glass doors had black curtains on them. And I found matching patterns. They're just a slightly different color, and the ones over there, Arcadia doors, are, sorry, the sliding glass doors are a crinkle fabric, but they're the same pattern and very similar color, so they go really well. And then Mom had this painting, I think it was done in the 70s, and I had these two wall sconces, and then another window, and then over here is another collage picture frame. And to balance the size of the big one, I added this mirror, which is thin, but it balances out the size. And another wall cling. It says, "May love be the heart of this home," and with a really cute little pink heart on there. Then I have this club chair that I'm going to make a slipcover tutorial for you, that I got at a yard sale from a friend. I have my basket of throw blankets down here. It's just a little canvas lined basket I got from Collections ETC. And a recycling bin back there. I got this recycling bin when my dad used to read newspapers. And one of the things that I did was I lined it with a little box made out of folders. So that stuff wouldn't fall out the bottom. Here's my junk table. It's not my guilty shame. I'm just telling you, I have filing to do. So I've just brought in the mail, and I have some filing to do. And underneath it is a basket that I have with old Country Living magazines from last year. And I have a garbage can on this side, and Jim has a garbage can on that side. In the middle is a coffee table that is actually a sit-down bench shoe rack from IKEA. If you guys recognize this box, I'll link the tutorial down below. And these are the flowers that came off the wreath that I used for the Easter egg wreath. I just stuck them in there, like literally. Let me show you. just stuck them in there. I thought they looked really cute. That's a tray from IKEA that has some cooking magazines on it, and two bins that are covered from the Dollar Tree. The one on the right has recyclable shopping bags that I use for garbage can liners, and the one on the left has some for Jim's and some old batteries. So this coffee table, we found in the garbage, and me and my dad refinished it, and he built a new center. It's been with me forever. And the space I got from Southern Living magazine at home. Used to have an at-home like house parties, and then these are just leftover flowers from my wedding bouquets that I've actually had sitting there for 20 years on top of that candle. And then of course we turned to our TV. We have a sign, metal sign that says, "God bless you and yours." We got this TV stand from Walmart, and it's got game consoles, and Jim's Xbox 360 is down there, and then the DVD player and the DVR box, and then up here is his game storage. On top is his Xbox One, and this burlap runner with the H on it I got from Kirkland's for $3. And above the TV I have this sign that says "Blessings" I got from a Christian bookstore in Ohio. This Believe candle holder, which doesn't have the candle cups in it because one broke in the move, but I thought it was really pretty. I got from my friend Trish. Hi Trish. For Christmas one year, this little love sign I bought at the Dollar General. If you see it, it's really cute. It came out for Valentine's Day one year, but I just thought it'd be really perfect for this wall. And then this is the last cling that I have in here. It says, "With God all things are possible." And then finally we moved to the fireplace. which you guys have seen my fireplace decorated for the holidays, but never just decorated for every day. So let me zoom out and show you what we have, and then we'll come in and we'll go from right to left. So I found this little signage. It was fat chipboard. It was ivory colored. No, it was like natural brown paper bag kind, and I spray painted it white, put the little eye hooks in it, and tied some ribbon around it. For those of you who want to see, I took a clear quick release hook and I E6000'd it to my fireplace, and it has been there for a couple of years and it's perfectly fine, and you really can't see it unless you're up close like this. Then I have a signage that says family. I have my brass candlesticks with my springtime neutral green candles on them. And then the sparkle bowls. The sparkle bowls are from Pier 1. I got them on clearance after Christmas one year. I have this sign that says we are so blessed. And if you've been here for a while, you've seen this little gate that I spray painted black. And the hydrangea dollar store craft that we made. I have a Celtic Cross in wrought iron. I got this at Michael's ages and ages. And this I got from Walmart. It was supposed to be a cake topper, but we got it. And then Mom gave us a cake topper when she first came for our wedding. And then the matching candles. And over here it says amen. And the sign that says family is hanging. This is actually plastic. I put the eye hooks in myself. And again, I've had this since 2006, so it's been a while. And then if we back up to the hearth, I have this great basket with logs and fireplace tools in it. Those of you who don't know, I have an electric fireplace sitting in front of my broken fireplace, but until we can get the fireplace fixed, this just adds to the ambiance of a real fireplace. I have these candle holders, one on each side, and they're 2 different heights. So I have the short one over there by the tall picture frame. And then I have my 5 Below lantern with the electric candle in it. These 2 boxes that I got from, it was called Garden Ridge, but now it's At Home by Walmart store. I got them quite a few years ago. And this cute little sock I got from the Dollar Tree. It says, remember, as far as anybody knows, we're a nice normal family. And then the ABCs of thought is always be considerate, discerning evil from good, honoring ideals, justifying kindness, loving mercy, nobly obeying precedents, quietly responding, shunning temptation, uniting virtue with extraordinary, they cheated, extraordinary use and zeal. And then I have 2 Dollar Tree vases with rocks in them. And then I got these light up branches from Walmart when we first moved in. Okay, that's everything. So I hope you like the living room. Oh, I forgot to show you over the archway, but I think you guys have seen it. Faith, Hope, and Love is over the archway. And we have the Velcro kind of quick release hooks on there. So we could move it if we want to, but it's pretty much permanent there. Okay? So that's everything.